The Union Cabinet takes decisions that open new opportunities, strengthen key sectors, and speed up reforms. December 2025 saw several important steps to support self-reliance, reduce import dependence, and boost metro connectivity. India's 16th census, the year after independence, will be conducted digitally in a phased manner with a budget outlay of over 11,000 crore rupees. The first phase, that is house listing and housing census, will take place from April to September 2026, while the second phase for population enumeration will be conducted in February 2027. However, for Ladakh and snowbound non-synchronous areas of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, the population enumeration will be conducted in September 2026. To promote ease of doing business, speed up the use of existing coal reserves, and to reduce dependence on imported coal, the Cabinet has approved the policy for auction of coal linkage for seamless, efficient and transparent utilization. Under this reform, a new window named Coal Setu window has been created with NRS linkage policy to utilize coal for any industrial use and export. The coal linkage obtained under this window can then be used for own consumption, exports or any other purpose except resale in the country. Ensuring better remunerative returns to the coconut growers, the MSP for fair average quality of milling copra has been fixed at over 12,000 rupees per quintal, and for ball copra it is 12,500 rupees per quintal for 2026 season. A higher MSP will not only ensure better remunerative returns to the coconut growers but also incentivize farmers to expand copra production to meet the growing demand for coconut products both domestically and internationally. To further enhance connectivity within the national capital, 3 new corridors as part of Delhi Metro's Phase 5A project have been given a nod with a total budget outlay of more than 12,000 crore rupees. With the extensions comprising 13 stations, the new corridors will connect RK Ashram Marg to Indraprasth, Aerocity to IGD Airport Terminal 1 and Tughlakabad to Kalindi Kunj. With the aim to reduce congestion on the roads, these extensions will benefit around 60,000 office goers and 2 lakh visitors on a daily basis. To improve travel efficiency and reduce travel time, the Cabinet has approved the construction of a 6-lane greenfield access controlled Nashik-Solapur-Akkalkot corridor. The corridor is proposed to be connected to Delhi-Mumbai Expressway near Vadhavan Port Interchange, Agra-Mumbai corridor at Nashik Junction with NH60 Adegaon, and Samriddhi Mahamarg at Pangri near Nashik. The project will enhance the basic infrastructure in the region, contributing to the overall economic development of Nashik, Ahilyanagar, Dharashiv and Solapur districts. The decisions taken are a reflection of the Union government's efforts and commitment towards achieving the goal of an Atmanirbhar Bharat.